The Tesla Semi is expected to revolutionize the truck business like the Model S, 3, X, and Y revolutionized the auto industry. It was delivered as the first consignment of semi-electric vehicles to Pepsi's Frito-Lay manufacturing facility in Modesto, California on December 1, 2022. It took 5 years from the initial peak at the Semi and 3 years longer than initially projected. But the company has kept its promise to accelerate and adhere to the advent of sustainable transportation. This video highlights your Tesla Semi versus diesel truck. Elon Musk said in 2017 that he could produce a Tesla Semi. True to his word, after 5 years, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, created the newest member, Tesla Semi, to deliver it to PepsiCo. As it's constructed similarly to a Tesla and as a single stock for selecting drive, reverse, neutral, or park, he said it's comparable to a Tesla. He added, "It looks sick. I mean, you want to drive that. That thing looks like it came from the future. It's fun. It looks awesome." There's a big shortage of drivers, so if you're a truck driver and want the most badass rig on the road, this is it. However, according to Tesla's CEO, companies like Walmart and the Canadian supermarket Loblaws have already expressed interest in Tesla Semis by ordering a small test fleet. The people refer to the Tesla Semi as the beast. It has a power 3 times the power of any diesel truck. On the other hand, it is considered efficient because it can go 500 miles in a single charge, so Semi is regarded as a game changer. Tesla's Semi is powered by a tri-motor that accounts for its hyper-efficiency. One motor is for highway driving and will always be engaged, while the other 2 are for torque and acceleration. Those motors use the system straight out of the Model S Plaid powertrain. They have clutched automatically. No driver input is needed. It is seamless. The advantages of the Tesla Semi over other trucks are many. The most important thing is it does not cause any pollution like other trucks. It doesn't use gas or diesel, so we don't have to drill, pump, import, refine, and spill oil. It can go full speed, even uphill, where most trucks fall to 40 mph. It gains energy back in its battery, going downhill and stopping. This keeps the brake from wearing out and making brake dust. The motor has no transmission, exhaust pipes, and thousands of less wearing parts. It also has a lifetime unbreakable windshield. Tesla has already commenced the first deliveries of its electric truck. It aims to disrupt the market with affordable, eco-friendly trucks. Moreover, the performance stats of the Semi are pretty exquisite. On the other hand, diesel trucks are also liked by the most popular buyers. Let's look at the comparison between these Tesla Semi and diesel trucks with different hearts. Though the performance numbers are not revealed for the Tesla Semi, Elon Musk has revealed 3 motors. We can assume a total power output of somewhat 900 HP and 1,600 pound-feet of torque, which will give an acceleration 0 to 60 mph acceleration time of around 5 seconds unloaded and 20 seconds loaded, and will achieve T60 mph acceleration in 60 seconds, 3 times slower than the Semi. At the same time, the power of other trucks depends on the trim you choose. The power and torque range from 325 HP to 505 HP and 1,260 pound-feet to 1,860 pound-feet. Regarding the specifications, Tesla's prices start from $150,000 for the 300-mile range version to $180,000 for the 500-mile range version. However, after the tax credit reduction, these prices drop down to $110,000 to $140,000. On the other hand, other diesel trucks range from $100,000 for the cabin version and $140,000 for the sleeper models. The diesel-powered popular trucks are significantly more expensive. If we look into the performance side of the Tesla electric semi-truck, it can easily compete with other diesel trucks. These battery-powered, Class 8 heavy-duty semi-trucks with an empty trailer can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 5 seconds. The Tesla Semi can reach 60 mph in 20 seconds with a fully loaded trailer weighing 80,000 pounds, 4 times slower than before but still quicker than diesel semi-trucks. Due to the 4 motors powering each wheel, Tesla Semis can also easily handle grades up to 5% while traveling 65 mph. The wheels are connected to 2 rear axles behind the cab. These wheels can automatically change the wheel's torque to prevent jackknifing accidents. Even if 2 motors are damaged, the operating cost is less than a diesel truck. According to Elon Musk, these electric trucks will run faster and cheaper by 20%. Unlike diesel vehicles, which cost $1.51 per mile, an electric semi will cost $1.26. A diesel should remain at $2.50 per gallon and electricity at 7 cents per kilowatt hour, traveling at 60 miles per hour with a maximum load. The Tesla Semi's battery can hold 500 miles per charge. This 500-mile battery can make trucking deliveries on one charge. There is another version of 300 miles at a lesser cost. Tesla Semi will provide a better trucking experience, be a revolutionary EV truck of the present age, and be very useful in the future. It has many performance advantages and a vast reduction in emissions. Besides, all these other trucks also have a lot of benefits over Tesla. Traditional trucks usually need diesel, hence running a truck is costly, especially if you have several trucks. You will have to pay an immense amount for fuel every year. Tesla Semi says the fuel savings might amount to $200,000 annually. If it's true, it is worth investing in Tesla Semi as it saves money for the company. And if the company has many trucks, imagine how much savings Tesla Semi would bring to the concerned company. Another significant advantage of electric vehicles is the instant torque. This is the most important in a truck. In other vehicles, the internal combustion engine's moving components have additional elements that must accelerate before reaching their maximum torque. The enormous torque of electric motors, however, is applied right away. Traditional truck faces problems while taking off from a steep incline, but in the Tesla Semi, the electric motors will pull with all their torque when you want to. The absurdly speedy Model S Plaid, the Tesla Semi's stablemate, is comparable to it because of this. Fleets of semi-trucks might save much money if the Tesla Semi's dependability holds up. Over the rest of the vehicle's service life, conventional semi-truck diesel engines need oil changes, an ongoing expense. The maintenance cost of the Tesla Semi is comparatively less. They don't require an oil change and do have wear and tear for the engines regularly. It saves a lot of money for the owners of the truck. But in a diesel truck, even a simple engine air filter is a piece of maintenance item, and maintenance cost is high compared to Tesla Semi. Electric vehicles are usually quieter than traditional ones. Traditional ones are nice when moving or taking off from a standstill or accelerating up a hill. Not all electric vehicles are silent. They whine, but it's quiet compared to a diesel one's roar. It is a blessing that the electric motors of the Tesla Semi will not damage our ears. In Tesla Semi, the driver's seat is at the center, with 2 seats to the left and right. It has a thermonuclear explosion-proof windshield, which is strong enough to survive a thermonuclear explosion. This will enable the driver to watch the 2 touchscreens on the left and right of the dashboard. The driver also gets live feedback of left and right through the camera. In the Tesla Semi, there won't be any harmful exhaust gases. We have seen trucks putting out black smoke into the air. This is not fun as you see right in front of your eyes, and it's not suitable for the environment. If you use a Tesla Semi, there won't be such problems as they do not produce smoke like usual trucks. A Semi is electric and electric vehicles do not emit smoke. Along are a lot of advantages, but there are also some drawbacks for the Tesla Semi. Semi-trucks transport goods, so they should be planned to a route where charging points are available, so there needs to be more charging infrastructure. Compared to other electric trucks, Tesla's Semi has superior features to many electric trucks. It outwits other electric trucks in battery size, range, efficiency per mile, and charging time. Both its range and mileage are effective. As a result, to compete with Tesla, rivals must develop features and buy affordable costs. Now, other major brands will also be manufacturing electric trucks, and there will be a day when diesel trucks will be a story. We will have to see whether Tesla will overcome the prevailing traditional trucks or the truck industry will overcome Tesla.